Hello po, good morning. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today video we working on pagkain.
For our New Year.
On the New Year. Yeah. This, Kuya Rapi naggagawa ng Graham. Because the Graham is so delicious and colorful. Okay.
Yung kay mama.
Mama nagluluto ng Biko. Nagluluto si Mama nag-Kobe kaya dito gusto luluto.
Ano sinasabi mo pa?
Sige. Ito na luto yan. Magaling magluto si Mama. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.